Today marks a very, very dark day. Today is the day I go to Sunderland. In all seriousness, I'm going to the Sunderland Air Show, which I've never been to before. I've heard really good things about it, so heard my sister was going, so I shall be tagging along. It should be good fun. Puff, where it is. Yes, going there, but first I had to work for a staff meeting, unfortunately. This is an illegal time on a Sunday morning. It's about 10 o'clock. Oh, been up about an hour, over an hour. Such an illegal time on a Sunday morning, any morning. Oh dear. 10:30 the meeting. These meetings only normally last like 10 minutes or so, but I imagine this one's gonna last a while. Basically staff meetings, well, they should be for people to, let's say, air their grievances towards one another and whatever else. This time, I think World War III might start. We'll see, yeah? So if this is the last time you see me, you'll know why. This should be very interesting. See you on the other side. Just had to remove anything Newcastle United related from my person. Isn't that ridiculous? It really is. Oh god, wind! Where's the mic? Oh god. Let World War III commence. That wasn't so bad. Honestly expected World War III, but never mind. I've probably spoke about it too much already. But anyway, time to head off to Weary side.
No.
Look at that shot. Look at that shot. Look at that block. Whoa! Is that run?
Let's perform tight matched barrel rolls to the outside of the formation in the rollbacks. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Synchro's Heart. I mentioned Red 4's mum and dad here, so Red 4 would like to dedicate this heart to his mum Connie, who's here watching this afternoon.
That's good. Yeah, that is it.
And this is the good bit, ladies and gentlemen. Get your cameras ready.
They're going to come down.
This is the vertical break. We are the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows.
And we're back on the good side of the river. Yeah, I did plan on doing a lot more vlogging and such, but it was ridiculously windy and there's loads of people as you can imagine, so I didn't. Plus I couldn't be bothered anyway. Never mind. Nose is red. Couldn't have burned. No, well. Yes, anyway. It was really good. I enjoyed it. I shall... I might go again next year, we'll see. Yes, it's good. I think I got some good shots of some of the planes and some explosions. The one in slow motion, there was like, must have been about 6 or 7. I missed every single one apart from that one at the start of it. So, terrible. Oh well, I quite possibly might do a proper vlog, during the week, because I found a new opening in the trees in the by the marina, so I'll investigate that. Another adventure. Woo! Yes, it's pretty much about it. Goodbye. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh! Oh! Somebody should do something.